Yaha mukoro gwo kusima ogutebekana sibwe ahari St Philip's Church of Uganda Bugonji amurukabare municipality. Reverend Byaruhanga Fred obira ibembera abakristayo kurwo mu kanisa ye ngo batayayiro bureberezi bwa Kigezi ashabira abakristayo bona okureba ngo bashororo mu byo kuriya hamwe n'ibyo kunywa ebarukozo mu mikoro nkeji.
Ikigambo cyo kugenda cyangwa gitira kuzaho ahabwo kuba hatu mu Uganda yitweje ebihugu binge twine omuntu y'abantu k'abakristayo gira kakwate n'ikigambo cyo kurya kimfanya kabari kubuyibwe byo kunuya mukari manyango bishema n'ibyo bikabara abantu bajya kwenu
Reverend Byaruhanga Fred ayongere yashaba kristayo okureba ngo byone barakora byabana kubaraterera amateka g'ikanisa. Mukoro ngugume Reverend Edward Mwesigwa oriyo mburizi wenjiri ahari St Philip's Church of Uganda aburire ahari rukundo okwatanisa hagati y'abakristayo.
That Peter recognized that even non-Jews we are created by God. That's the time when he recognized that even a detestable person or a no arabasa kujumwa ibishe ruhanga achire akaje kuule jiri aleteka watu katika ni mugonji the press of promise can be the press of God because God is here.
Professor Misa Chikatusime wa Kabale University kandi otebekanisize mukoro ogwo kusima hagati y'abakristayo aba St Andrews Ngoma Church hamwe n'aba St Philip's Church of Uganda omuri Bugonji ashabira abona okwatanisa kandi bakamanyana bakataho rukundo hagati y'ubureberezi bwa Westankore hamwe n'obwa Kigezi.
Twaturoho wabuye mukoro gwo kusima mukama ahubwo kugira ngo akaretera twanywana St Philip's Estates omuri Bugonji kandi mu Kigezi Diocese ekanywana na St Andrews Church ya Westankore Diocese eri kushangwa Ngoma kandi omutura akidikonare Westankore Diocese. Twenda kusima mukama munonga ahabwa relationship page akuba ntureba ebintu bingi byono bibaho abantu banywana, we support each other in terms of fundraising. For example, now we are fundraising for the construction of the Priest's Church.
Namaste.